Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the world of writing and literature. Today, we have a critical review of the book, The Elements of Style, 4th edition, by William Strunk Jr. and E.B. White. This influential guidebook has been a staple for writers since its initial publication in 1918. Let's explore the strengths and weaknesses of this classic text and evaluate its relevance for graduate students and writers alike. Our first strength lies in the concise and clear rules presented in The Elements of Style. Strunk and White offer straightforward guidelines for grammar, style, and composition. These rules are easy to grasp and can benefit writers at any skill level. The brevity of the rules ensures that readers can quickly apply them in their writing, enhancing the clarity and effectiveness of their work. Another strength of this book is its timeless advice. Despite being published over a century ago, the fundamental principles presented in The Elements of Style remain relevant today. The authors emphasize the importance of clarity, brevity, and precision in writing, qualities that resonate with graduate students striving for effective academic communication. These timeless principles serve as a solid foundation for writers in various disciplines. A noteworthy aspect of this book is the focus on William Strunk Jr.'s original principles. The inclusion of Strunk's concise and direct approach adds historical context and authenticity to the book. E.B. White's revisions and examples further enhance the original content, resulting in a balanced and informative guide that offers the best of both authors' contributions. The Elements of Style is enriched with practical examples and illustrations that demonstrate the application of the rules and concepts presented. These examples help clarify complex topics and enable readers to better understand how to apply the principles in their own writing. The use of relatable and diverse examples enhances the accessibility and relevance of the book's content. Now, let's move on to the weaknesses we have identified in The Elements of Style. One criticism of the book is its lack of contextualization. While it provides valuable rules and guidelines, it sometimes falls short in explaining the context in which these rules should be applied or when exceptions might arise. A deeper exploration of context would enhance readers' understanding and application of the principles, enabling them to make informed choices in their writing. Another limitation is the limited coverage of contemporary issues. As an older publication, The Elements of Style does not address the specific challenges and considerations that writers may encounter in the digital age. Issues such as writing for online platforms, navigating evolving citation styles, or engaging with digital research tools are not explored. An updated edition could address these modern writing considerations. While grammar and style are crucial aspects of writing, The Elements of Style predominantly focuses on these areas, neglecting other important aspects of academic writing. Graduate students, in particular, may benefit from a more comprehensive guide that covers a broader range of writing skills and tasks, including research strategies, critical thinking, and argumentation. In conclusion, The Elements of Style, 4th edition, is a concise and influential guidebook that offers valuable principles for writers. Its concise rules, timeless advice, and practical examples make it a helpful resource for graduate students seeking to improve their writing skills. However, it is important to acknowledge the limitations of the book. Providing more contextualization of the rules, addressing contemporary writing challenges, and expanding the coverage to include other crucial aspects of academic writing would enhance its relevance for today's writers. Despite these limitations, The Elements of Style remains a foundational resource that can contribute to the development of strong writing skills for graduate students and writers in general. It is a valuable starting point for those looking to improve their craft and establish a solid foundation in writing. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the critical review of The Elements of Style, 4th edition. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the book's strengths, weaknesses, and overall relevance for graduate students and writers.